Hi, welcome to Wingops tutorial on how to add components and build subcomponent hierarchies. To begin, navigate to the Components tab and click the plus component button. Enter all the necessary details for your main component, including the component category, name, part number, serial number, tracking parameters, and installation date. Here you can also upload any related files or certificates. Once all data is entered, click Save. Next, we need to create the items that will serve as subcomponents. Press plus component again and enter the required details: name, category, part number, and parameters, just as we did before. Repeat this process for any additional subcomponents you need. For this example, we are creating two distinct components to link later. Now, let's link these items. Click on your main component to open its details, scroll down, and click on the Subcomponents tab. Click plus Link Subcomponents, and select the components you just created to attach them as subcomponents. If you link the wrong item by mistake, you can easily remove it using the Unlink button on the right. To review any documents you uploaded earlier, navigate to the Files Notes tab. Wingops also supports multi-level hierarchies. Back in the main components list, click the plus icon next to your main component to see its subcomponents. Select one of the subcomponents to open its details. Just like before, scroll down and link another component to it. Returning to the main view, you can now see the full hierarchy of your components list organized clearly. You will also notice a small envelope icon next to the components. A blue icon indicates that files or certificates are attached, while a red icon signals that no files are attached. Thank you for watching.